In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your friend list on Facebook. So if you only want your friend list to be only visible to you and nobody else can know the number of friends you have, then it is pretty much simple to do it on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. To get started, go to this icon here showing your profile photo and then tap on it to open the menu. Under the menu, you'll see we have the settings icon here. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now from this, scroll down until you get to this section called Audience and Visibility. Under this, tap on how people find and contact you. Go ahead and tap on it. And then we have this second option called Who Can See Your Friends List. As you can see, it is currently set to public. To change this, go ahead and tap on it. And now you see you can restrict it to only your friends or specific people, or all your friends apart from some few people. And the last option is only me. So if you go ahead and tap on only me, it means no one else can see your friend list apart from you. Now go ahead and tap on save and the changes will have been made. So that's how you hide your friend list on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.